Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces? There are several wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces you can use to do just that in style. Revamping our living spaces is an opportunity to infuse personal style and preferences into the design. Wooden furniture and decorative pieces can be customized to reflect individual tastes, making each space truly unique. Whether through choosing specific wood types, finishes, or designs, homeowners have the chance to curate a look that resonates with their identity. This customization process can also be a rewarding experience, allowing homeowners to engage in the creative process. Collaborating with artisans or designers to create bespoke wooden pieces fosters a sense of ownership over the design, resulting in a space that feels authentically you. Incorporating wooden furniture and decor can evoke the feeling of being in a forest or a serene landscape. This connection to nature has been shown to promote well-being and reduce stress, making it particularly valuable in today's fast-paced lifestyle. The presence of wood in our living spaces can create a sanctuary that nurtures our mental and emotional health. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As the world continues to evolve, so too do our living spaces. The way we design and furnish our homes reflects not only our personal style, but also our values, aspirations, and how we interact with the world around us. In this context, revamping living spaces has become a popular endeavor, driven by a desire for comfort, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. Among the myriad of choices available, wood furniture stands out as a timeless and versatile option that significantly contributes to the transformation of any living area. Imagine stepping into a room that feels both inviting and inspiring. The first thing that captures your attention is the warmth emanating from the wooden elements, creating an atmosphere that is both calming and energizing. Wood, with its rich textures and natural hues, has an innate ability to bring a sense of harmony and balance to any space. As homeowners seek to create environments that nurture their well-being, the role of wood furniture in revamping living spaces becomes increasingly significant. The journey of transforming a living space often begins with understanding its current state. Many people feel a disconnect with their environments, often due to outdated decor or a lack of personal touch. This realization sparks a desire for change, a shift that can breathe new life into a room. The introduction of wood furniture plays a crucial role in this process, as its organic qualities resonate with our innate connection to nature. This connection fosters a sense of tranquility, making wood an ideal choice for creating a serene atmosphere. When considering a revamp, the emotional impact of a space cannot be overlooked. The presence of wood can evoke feelings of nostalgia and comfort, transporting us to cherished memories of family gatherings, cozy evenings by the fire, or quiet moments of reflection. As individuals curate their living spaces, they often seek elements that resonate with their personal histories. Wood furniture embodies this desire, as its imperfections and natural variations tell stories of their own. Each scratch, knot, and grain pattern contributes to the narrative of a home, inviting residents to weave their own experiences into the fabric of their surroundings. In the process of revamping, many homeowners find themselves drawn to the aesthetic appeal of wood. The visual richness of wood furniture enhances the overall design of a space, adding depth and character. When paired with complementary decor elements, wood can create a cohesive look that reflects the homeowner's style while maintaining a sense of timelessness. The beauty of wood lies not only in its appearance, but also in its ability to adapt to various design philosophies, whether it be rustic, modern, or eclectic. This versatility allows homeowners to express their creativity while ensuring that their living spaces remain inviting and functional. As the renovation journey unfolds, the functionality of wood furniture comes to the forefront. Unlike many materials that may be purely decorative, wood offers a practical solution to everyday needs. Its durability ensures that it can withstand the rigors of daily life, from family gatherings to quiet evenings spent reading. The robust nature of wood furniture means that it can endure the test of time, making it a wise investment for those looking to revamp their spaces without the need for frequent replacements. This resilience not only reflects a commitment to quality but also aligns with a growing awareness of sustainability, a value that resonates deeply in today's eco-conscious society. As urbanization continues to rise, many individuals seek ways to reconnect with nature within their living spaces. Wood serves as a bridge between the indoors and outdoors, bringing the natural world into our homes. The organic qualities of wood can create a sense of harmony and balance, fostering a calming environment. Furthermore, incorporating elements such as indoor plants alongside wooden pieces can enhance this connection to nature even further. The combination of wood and greenery creates a visually appealing and refreshing atmosphere, transforming our living spaces into rejuvenating retreats. Moreover, the personalization of wooden decor can extend to incorporating family heirlooms or handcrafted items. These pieces often carry sentimental value and contribute to the narrative of the home, creating a rich tapestry of memories and experiences. In a time of increasing environmental awareness, the choice of materials for our living spaces is more critical than ever. Wood, when sourced sustainably, is a renewable resource that can contribute to eco-friendly living. By opting for responsibly harvested wood, homeowners can make conscious choices that benefit both their living spaces and the planet. Additionally, wooden furniture is known for its longevity. Quality wood pieces can withstand the test of time, often becoming cherished family heirlooms passed down through generations. This durability not only reduces waste, but also promotes a culture of valuing craftsmanship and sustainability. As we revamp our living spaces, considering the environmental impact of our choices is essential. By embracing wooden elements, we can create beautiful, functional spaces that reflect our values and contribute positively to the world around us. Revamping our living spaces is an exciting endeavor that offers the chance to create environments that are both functional and reflective of our personalities. Wooden furniture and decorative pieces play a crucial role in this transformation, bringing warmth, texture, and a sense of connection to nature. From enhancing the aesthetics of a room to fostering emotional connections, the benefits of incorporating wood into our living spaces are numerous. The timeless appeal of wood, combined with its versatility and sustainability, makes it a perfect choice for those seeking to create beautiful, meaningful homes. As we navigate the journey of revamping our living spaces, let us embrace the unique qualities of wood, allowing it to enrich our environments and enhance our lives. In doing so, we not only create spaces that inspire, but also cultivate a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship and beauty that wood brings to our homes. If you are a woodworker looking for ways to make money fast, remember that woodworking businesses face various challenges, including fluctuating material costs, competition from mass-produced furniture, and changing consumer preferences. Additionally, the labor-intensive nature of the craft can make it difficult to maintain consistent output, particularly when relying on skilled artisans. If we compare metalworking with woodworking, metalworking also poses challenges, such as the high initial investment in machinery, the need for skilled labor, and compliance with industry regulations. Furthermore, fluctuations in metal prices can impact profit margins, and businesses may face competition from overseas manufacturers with lower production costs. Both woodworking and metalworking face unique challenges that can impact profit potential. However, the stability of the metalworking market and the ability to automate processes may provide a more resilient foundation for profitability. Remember, the journey to becoming a profitable woodworker requires patience and persistence. Celebrate your successes, learn from your failures, and keep pushing forward. You have the potential not only to make money, but to create something beautiful and lasting. Many woodworkers are increasingly focusing on sustainable practices, using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials. This not only appeals to environmentally conscious consumers, but can also differentiate their products in a crowded market. Engaging with the local community through workshops, volunteering, or partnerships with local businesses can enhance a woodworker's reputation and attract customers who value community involvement. Woodworking offers diverse opportunities for individuals to make money while pursuing their passion. From selling custom furniture and home decor to teaching classes and creating online content, woodworkers can find multiple revenue streams. However, success in the woodworking business requires creativity, adaptability, and a commitment to quality. As the industry continues to evolve, embracing new technologies and sustainable practices will be key to thriving in this rewarding field. As the connection between well-being and environment becomes more recognized, wellness-focused furniture design will continue to gain traction. This trend includes ergonomic furniture that promotes physical health, as well as designs that enhance mental well-being, such as calming color palettes and natural materials. The integration of technology into furniture design will continue to evolve. As smart home technology advances, we can expect to see more furniture pieces that enhance connectivity, comfort, and convenience. From furniture with built-in speakers to smart desks that track productivity, the possibilities are endless. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.